Welcome to the world of geography, where borders shift, mountains rise, and the planet never stops surprising us. Today, we're diving into 20 fascinating geography facts that will expand your understanding of the world and might even challenge what you thought you knew. Fact 1. Mount Everest is still growing. At nearly 29,032 feet, Mount Everest is the highest point on Earth. But did you know it's growing? Due to tectonic activity, it's increasing by a few millimeters each year. Fact 2. Russia spans 11 time zones. Russia is so vast that it covers 11 of the world's 24 time zones. That means it can be breakfast time in one part and dinner time in another, within the same country. Fact 3. Africa is the only continent in all 4 hemispheres. It's the only continent that sits in the northern, southern, eastern, and western hemispheres. That makes Africa truly global. Fact 4. Canada has the most lakes in the world. With over 2 million lakes, Canada holds more than 60% of the world's natural lakes. That's a lot of fresh water. Fact 5. The Dead Sea is sinking. The Dead Sea, Earth's lowest land elevation, is shrinking fast due to water diversion and climate factors. It's dropping by over 3 feet per year. Fact 6. Antarctica is technically a desert. Despite its icy landscape, Antarctica receives so little precipitation that it's classified as a desert. In fact, it's the driest continent. Fact 7. There's a town in Norway where the sun doesn't rise for months. Tromsø, located above the Arctic Circle, experiences a polar night where the sun doesn't rise for about 2 months in winter. Fact 8. The Amazon River is shorter than the Nile, but has more water. Although the Nile holds the title for length, the Amazon carries more water than any other river, an estimated 20% of the world's freshwater flow. Fact 9. Australia is wider than the moon. Australia measures about 2,485 miles across, while the moon's diameter is just 2,159 miles. A fun cosmic comparison. Fact 10. Iceland is powered almost entirely by renewable energy. Thanks to its geothermal activity and waterfalls, Iceland produces nearly all its electricity and heat from renewable sources. Fact 11. The U.S. has a town named Earth. Yes, Earth, Texas exists, and people proudly call themselves Earthlings. Fact 12. Lake Baikal is the deepest and oldest freshwater lake. Located in Siberia, Lake Baikal reaches depths of over 5,300 feet and is estimated to be 25 million years old. Fact 13. There are more countries in Africa than any other continent. Africa has 54 recognized countries, each with diverse cultures, languages, and landscapes. Fact 14. The Sahara was once a lush green landscape. About 6,000 to 7,000 years ago, the Sahara Desert was filled with lakes, rivers, and vegetation before shifting to its arid state. Fact 15. There's a country with no rivers. Saudi Arabia is one of the few countries in the world without a single permanent river. Fact 16. The Pacific Ocean is shrinking. Due to plate tectonics, the Pacific Ocean is slowly getting smaller, while the Atlantic is expanding. Fact 17. Some islands move. Tectonic and volcanic activity means that islands like Hawaii are literally on the move by inches each year. Fact 18. The equator isn't the hottest place on Earth. Contrary to popular belief, the hottest place is Death Valley, California, not right on the equator. Fact 19. Bangladesh has the world's largest river delta. The Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta supports over 100 million people and is vital for agriculture and trade. Fact 20. Continents are still drifting. Continents move about as fast as your fingernails grow. One day, a new supercontinent might form, millions of years from now. Geography is more than maps and borders. It's the ever-changing story of our planet. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments and tell us what other topics you'd love to see next.